Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope that all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today, in this video, I am going to share with you about learning speaking skill of English. Okay, my dear audience, I request you please stay with me from till to end, and you will get better information from me about learning speaking skill. Okay, those who have already subscribed my channel, I give a great thanks, and those who have not subscribed my channel, I request you please subscribe my channel and then watch my video. You will get better information, I think so. Okay, my dear audience, come to our main point again. Our today topic is how we can easily learn English. Okay, if we want to learn any kind of language, not only English, that time we need to know basic three things, and these three things are: number one, words or basic vocabulary, and after that we need to know basic sentence structure or grammar, and after that, if we compile words or vocabulary in a sentence by using structure or four tenses, basic four tenses, then practice for a long period of time, minimum 6 months to maximum 2 years and 6 months, per day 5 minutes to an hour, and after ending 2 and 6 months, we will get ourselves in fluency of English. Okay, this is the main secret tips. My dear audience, come to our main point again. Actually, we know many things in English grammar, but we can't speak English. What is the main reason? The main reason is we can't practice. This is the main reason. Okay, nothing else. Actually, we need to know basic 100 words only, and then we need to know basic four tenses, and these four tenses are: number one, present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, past indefinite tense, future indefinite tense. Okay, nothing else. And we need to know 100 words, and by using these tenses we have to practice. This is the main secret tips of learning English. My dear audience, I will come with these things again in my next video. I offer you, please stay with me and watch my next video. Those who are watching my video right now, I give you a great thanks, and stay happy, stay healthy, be smile. Thank you very much.